गाइज आपने कभी ना कभी बिजनेस इंटेलिजेंस या बीआई टूल्स के बारे में तो डेफिनेटली सुना होगा, और अगर नहीं भी सुना है तो लेट मी एक्सप्लेन इट टू यू इन वेरी सिंपल वर्ड्स. A BI tool is a software that is used to gather, understand and visualize business information, or we can say data. It helps us making informed decisions for our business. Now coming on to the types of BI tools. So there are various tools present in market, but two of them are very popular, and those are Power BI and Tableau. And that's the topic of our today's video. Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss Power BI versus Tableau. And we also know that most of the question asked is which one should we use, Power BI or Tableau? But before discussing the differences, we must know that what exactly is Power BI and Tableau. So yes, let's understand that thing first. Power BI is a business analytics service offered by Microsoft, and it is used for data analysis, visualization, insights extraction and sharing reports across different departments of your company. Tableau is also a robust business intelligence tool that effectively handles data processing, transformation of raw data into practical information. Now, before seeing the differences between Tableau and Power BI, let's first have a look at some similarities between them. First one is both are extremely popular. So, according to Gartner, BI और Tableau data analysis के लिए सबसे popular tools है. People really like Power BI, giving it an average rating of 4.4 out of 5. Tableau की rating भी बहुत अच्छी है. It's 4.3 stars out of 5. But it's slightly behind Power BI in terms of popularity. Now, data available होने के बाद analysis करना is a different thing. But if data different sources से आ रहा हो तो which is in practical true, because most of the businesses collects data from different channels, and that's where our second similarity comes. When we compare Tableau and Power BI, तो हम देखते हैं कि दोनों various sources से data connect कर सकते हैं. It includes MS Excel, CSV files, JSON files, and paid versions of both the platform allows us to connect with Google BigQuery, Amazon Redshift, and many more data connectors. And the next similarity is both produces variety of visualizations. Tableau और Power BI दोनों आपके डेटा को different visualizations के थ्रू प्रेजेंट करने में हेल्प करता है. We have various options for visualizations like line charts, tree maps और geographical maps. On both the platforms, we can interact with the visualizations जैसे कि उन पर होवर करना, filters apply करना and much more we can do. Last but not the least similarity is their code-free and user-friendly behavior. The beauty of using Power BI is that everything you need is at your fingertips, and this makes these tools ideal to learn. So guys, ये थे कुछ similarities Tableau और Power BI में. Now we will start exploring the differences between these two. So when we compare Tableau and Power BI, there are few points of difference जिन्हें consider करने से हमारे business या career में decisions लेना ना थोड़ा easy हो जाता है. The first main difference is that Power BI जो है वो सिर्फ Microsoft Windows पर ही काम करता है. And this makes it easier to make a choice. मतलब simple है. अगर आपका काम mostly Mac पर होता है, in that case Tableau will be a better choice, as we can't use Power BI on Mac. Another difference comes with the use of different programming languages. अब जब बात आती है different programming languages की use करने की, then there are more differences between Power BI and Tableau. So for data manipulation and data modeling in Power BI, we use M language and data analysis expressions, जिसे हम short में DEX भी कहते हैं. We can even use Microsoft Revolution Analytics to connect our programming language. While in the case of Tableau, we find more flexibility and ease in integrating with our language. Even we can implement the Tableau software development with Python, Java, C and C++, So more choices are available as compared to Power BI. Next, comparing the prices of products of both the BI tools can help us make decisions that which tool is more affordable. First one is Power BI Desktop. It gives you the free access to Power BI, but it's more suitable for home users, not for businesses. And इसी के compatible Tableau का भी एक product है, that is Tableau Public. It also gives you the access for free, but यहाँ पर होता क्या है कि all the visualizations made in Tableau Public are publicly viewable. So अगर आप एक practitioner या एक learner हो, तो you should go ahead with these free tools. The Tableau Pro version costs around $35 per month. However, Microsoft Power BI is comparatively cheaper since its professional version is only $27.5 per month. So guys, this was the comparison between the prices of different products Power BI and Tableau. So Tableau looks like more costly than Power BI. Now next point of difference between Power BI and Tableau is their performance. Both the tools have different storage and connection types. कुछ बड़े डेटा सेट्स को हैंडल करने के लिए बनाए गए हैं, जबकि कुछ ऐसे टूल्स हैं जो रियल टाइम डैशबोर्ड अपडेट्स को इंश्योर करने के लिए बनाए गए हैं. No doubt guys, Power BI is more easy to use, but its performance is better and faster when the volume of data is limited. लेकिन जब बात आती है एक्सट्रीमली लार्ज डेटा सेट्स की, तो Tableau जनरली Power BI से बेटर परफॉर्म करता है. अगेन, it depends on for what purpose you are going to use any specific tool, as which one is more suitable for you. Now, when it comes to user interface, मतलब किस BI tool का UI and UX यूज करना ज़्यादा easy है. So guys, both the tools are designed in a way कि दोनों को यूज करना बहुत easy है, that gives the user a chance to explore their data in a way that feels very familiar. But if we compare both the tools in very detail, तो Power BI का interface ज़्यादा user friendly है. So now that we have seen the similarities and differences between Power BI and Tableau on various factors, but जब भी कोई beginner या फिर कोई person who is making a transition into data analytics or business analytics field starts his learning, तो the question comes to their mind is कौन सा टूल ज़्यादा बेटर है, दोनों प्रोडक्ट्स का मार्केट शेयर क्या है, which type of product companies are using and which one should we use. So talking about the market share, Microsoft Power BI has 14.36% of market share, while Tableau software has 14.27% of market share in BI category. And guys, you will be amazed to know that 41% of Microsoft Power BI customers अकेले United States से belong करते हैं. Coming on to which companies are using which BI tool. So Microsoft Power BI is mostly used by startup companies, generating a revenue in the range of $1 to $10 million and having 50 to 200 employee range. The reason might be हमें पता है कि Power BI works best with less amount of data and it's also cheaper than Tableau. तो ये मोस्टली स्टार्टअप्स का चॉइस होता है, बिकॉज स्टार्टअप्स के पास में ना तो उतना ज़्यादा डेटा होता है, ना इन्वेस्टमेंट के लिए उतना मनी होता है. Some of the startups like Overseas Bank, a Singapore-based banking and financial service organization, Walmart, a United States bank organization, and many more startups uses Power BI. Talking about Tableau, so big giants like Amazon, LinkedIn, Ferrari, Adobe uses Tableau as their BI tool. And these companies are just a few water drops of the ocean of Tableau users. Big product और service based companies हैं, so obviously उनके पास analyze करने के लिए huge amount of data होता है. So this might be the foremost reason why these companies prefer Tableau as compared to Power BI. So we have seen the market share. We have also talked about which companies are using which tools. Now you might be wondering that Power BI or Tableau, which one comes on the top and हमें कौन सा use करना चाहिए. So to be honest, the choice is completely up to the individual who is gonna use this BI tool. It depends upon the needs and what you will be using it for, as well as what's required for your business. However, for those who wish to decide or choose between one of the tools, there are differences in cost, accessibility, which we have already discussed. So that must be considered while making a choice. So guys, this was all about Power BI, Tableau, similarities and differences between both. Now, according to US Bureau of Labor Statistics, the employment of BI developers is projected to grow 25% from 2021 to 2031. It seems that there will be a good demand of BI developers in the coming years. So if you are also looking to upskill and enhance the value to potential employers, having a practical knowledge of either Power BI or Tableau is a great choice. We are glad to say that we here at Fingertip provide you with both the courses, that too by industry experts. And once you learn how to use one tool, learning how to use other will become very simple for you. For more information about these courses, follow the links provided in the description box. We just hope that you have all enjoyed this video. If so, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching, happy learning and see you in the next video.